In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Meet from Google Classroom. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's get started by making sure you're signed into Google Classroom. First, open your web browser and go to classroom.google.com. Here you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials, which include your email and password. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're logging in with the one associated with your classroom. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of classes that you're a part of. Go ahead and select the class for which you wish to create a Google Meet link. This will direct you to the class's main page where you can manage different aspects of your class activities. Now let's move on to generating the Google Meet link for your class. Once you are inside your selected class, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon which represents the settings for your class. Click on this settings icon to open a new page with several options. On this page, scroll down until you reach the general section. This is where you'll find the option to generate Meet link, which is crucial for setting up your online meeting space. Click on this option to proceed. However, if you encounter a message saying you don't have permission to create or edit the Meet link, don't worry. This simply means you'll need to reach out to your administrator for the necessary permissions. It's a common roadblock, especially for those working within school settings where certain controls are in place for privacy and security reasons. Once your link is generated, you have the option to toggle visible to students. If this toggle is turned on, your students will be able to see and access this Meet link directly in their Google Classroom. Whether you choose to make it visible immediately or later depends on your preferences and how you plan on managing your class sessions. Now that your Meet link is ready, it's time for the final steps. Saving and sharing it. Look for the Save button, which will apply all the changes you've made. After saving, the Meet link will automatically appear on the class stream. Alternatively, it may also show up under the Classwork tab, which can be more organized if you have a planned curriculum or lessons to follow. And that's it, you've successfully set up a Google Meet link through Google Classroom. This simple tool can greatly enhance your virtual learning environment, providing a seamless way to interact with students in real time. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Happy teaching!